Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a PDF pattern. When you download your pattern, it's going to come as multiple pages that need to be printed and taped together. First, make sure you're printing at 100% scale, not fit to page. This is really important so your pattern comes out the correct size. Most patterns will include a test square so you can double check your scale before assembling. Once everything is printed, you're going to trim or fold the edges of your pages, usually along the right and bottom sides, so the pages can overlap cleanly. Then match up the markings, lines, shapes, or letters on each page. Take your time here. This is where accuracy matters. If your pattern is off here, it will affect your final result. Some pages are numbered, and that helps a lot with bigger and or more complex patterns. This pattern isn't numbered, but it's fine since it's a pretty straightforward shape. I like to tape my patterns row by row first and then connect the rows together. It just keeps everything more organized and less overwhelming. Another tip, use a flat surface and work in good lighting so you can clearly see your lines. Once everything is aligned and taped up, you'll have your full pattern piece ready to cut. My favorite thing about using a PDF pattern versus a paper pattern is the fact that for the paper pattern, you cut once and you kind of cut that size forever. But with the PDF pattern, you can download as many different sizes as you want. And there you have it. What type of patterns do you prefer? Do you prefer already assembled patterns or PDF patterns? Let me know in the comments and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.